we need to find the lateral area and the surface area. So let's start by the lateral area, which if you remember the formula, I'll write it up here on the left. The lateral area is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height. Okay, that's equal to, what is the perimeter? Let's watch me here. We've got 9 plus 8 plus, what is this length? We'll look to the other side. The bases are exactly the same. That side is 12.4. So if we take all of those numbers, 9 plus 8 plus 12.04, we get 29.04. So we can then say 29.04 times, what's the height? The height is 23. That's this value right here. Okay, and so if we multiply them together, we get times, let's see, 23, 667.92. They said to the nearest whole number, so 667.92, nearest whole numbers, that's the 7, that's in the ones place. We look here, is this 5 or higher? Yes, it's a 9. That bumps the 7 up to an 8, and so we get it, the lateral area is approximately equal to 668. What's the units? Meters. So meters squared. Okay. That's the lateral area, 668 meters squared. So we can see that in choice A and choice C. So let's eliminate B and D because those don't have the proper lateral area. Now, the lateral area is a partial answer for what we need, which is great. Now what we need to do is we need to calculate the area of the bases. And so let's just look at this. I'm going to do, for the bases, I'm going to write it over here in orange. We can then say 2 times the area of the base is the same as 2 times the formula for a triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. And as you can tell, these two multiply together to be 1. So we have a simplified formula of 2 times the base is going to be, in this case, just the base times the height. So what are those values? What is the base? Base is 9. What is the height? It's height of the triangle, this height, not this height. This is the height of the prism. This is the height of the triangle. So you always need to be able to keep clear which height you're talking about. So we're doing 8. And 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, the two bases together equal 72. And that means we're going to take the lateral area of 668, and we're going to add to that the area of the bases, 72. And what do we get? We get 0, carry the 1, 6, 7, 14, carry the 1, 740. And that's, units are meters, so it's meters squared. And that, my friends, is choice C.